I think at this moment, everybody are just trying to sell themselves out. Everybody needs subscribers, everybody needs views, so they want to give you what you want, not what is really happening on YouTube. Why am I seeing videos like YouTube are now on easy mode? You can be a content creator, you can be a YouTuber, just vlog yourself, upload yourself, then you can go viral. Assuming this is what YouTube is, then I'm supposed to have millions of subscribers on my channel. I have my main channel. I've been a YouTuber for 2 years. And I could remember like how I started. Like, I don't really get it. What are you guys trying to talk about? How come I want to put myself in it? Because 2 years back, I know how I started my main YouTube channel to this stage. Even to be monetized on YouTube, you are not ready for the stress, right? You are not ready for the devotion. You are not ready for the consistency. You are not ready for videos ideas that you need to put there for people to watch you. You are not ready for content. Seriously serious. You guys are saying YouTube are now on easy mode. You can just vlog yourself, be a content creator, be a lifestyle content creator, do this, do that. Let me quickly say this. If you don't have tangible things you are showing people, you are sharing with people that people are benefiting from your videos, you're just going to be there. It's not even easy for people that are up there. Talk less of the person that are just showing random things for people to view. I don't get it. YouTube are not on any easy mode. You have to work for it. You have to work so hard. Like, you have to work so hard for you to be a YouTuber. You have to work so hard for you to be a content creator generally, especially on YouTube to be precise. Assuming YouTube are now on easy mode, you will be seeing people with 200,000 subscribers, with 3,000 views on the channel. Like, are you serious? Do you know what is called 200,000 subscribers with 2,000, with only 2,000 views? That is for you to know that YouTube is not in any mode. As a matter of fact, I'm seeing YouTube as tight place right now because there are lots of new content creators, there are lots of new YouTubers on the platform. So it's so tight for everybody to get views. Everyone are just trying to sell themselves out so they can do any video just to get the subscribers and the views they want. You'll not be thinking in your mind that, okay, I can just create a content once a month, then I go viral. Who does that? People that are even uploading videos every good day. I mean good videos every good day. They doesn't have the views they want. On my main YouTube channel, I could film for 2 hours, 3 hours. Then I will be editing my videos for 11 hours. Are you ready for that? To film and edit for about 14 hours. Are you ready? Are you ready for the commitment? Are you ready for the consistency? Are you ready for good videos idea? Are you ready for creativities? Are you ready? Like, YouTube are not on any easy mode. Nothing like that. You have to put on the work, you have to put on the energy, you have to know how to edit your videos, you have to know what you can give to people that will benefit from your videos. You guys, like, you just have to know a lot of things about YouTube. YouTube is not on any easy mode. Get that and be creative. Sincerely speaking, I'm hungry. I'm hungry because assuming this is how it is, then many of us will now go viral. Like, it's been 2 years I've been creating content. It's not that my content is not good enough. It's not that my niche is not good enough. But it's so hard. It's so hard for it to go viral. It's so hard for people to choose to watch your videos because we have a lot of competitors. So there are lots of people who are doing what you are doing on this platform. So just put the energy and continue what you are doing with consistency. You're going to get there. Stop thinking that, okay, I can just do this, I can just upload once in a month, I can upload once in a week, then I will go viral. If you don't post, people are not going to see you. So you have to put on the energy that required for you to be a YouTuber before the algorithm will see you. Even the algorithm are not even picking us. I'm so like, what is this? Easy mode? Where? How? Where is the easy mode? Oh my god. So this is what I said I should share with you guys. YouTube are not in any easy mode. You have to put on the energy, you have to put on the consistency, you have to put on learning many new things about YouTube for you to go viral. YouTube is not in any easy mode. Hello.